Hi, this is Dr. Jenny Byrne. Quick video today. I got a question that I thought was interesting about how does stress impact decision making in leaders? And I love this question because stress is always said or thought of by many people as a negative thing. And in fact, stress is just stress and it can be good and it actually can be bad. So, the way I would encourage you to think about stress is it is a physiological response in your body and in your mind that can alert you to the need to take action quickly. So, if you're high stress, your sympathetic nervous system is going to be elevated. Your heart rate may go faster, your blood pressure may go up. You may feel like your heart is beating fast. Some people get hot and flushed. Chronic stress is different. So, acute stress is a physiological response to something in your environment, and it can be good or bad. If you're an animal in the jungle and a lion jumps out at you and you have to react quickly, it's very good to be in a high level of stress. What's a workplace correlate to that? You have an emergency. Let's say you're a leader of a big company and literally there is an emergency that happens and you have to be very quick and decisive. Being in a stress situation may help you to react better in that situation. However, acute stress is not helpful when the stakes are low. So if you get an email from a colleague that kind of rubs you the wrong way, having a very elevated stress response in that example may not help you because it may prompt you to make rapid decisions based on heuristics and biases as opposed to a more rational, thoughtful decision. So stress basically helps you make fast decisions, and lower stress lets you be a little bit more thoughtful about making a decision. So that's one way that it impacts. Now, chronic stress is when your body is subjected to stress for, most of the day for many days in a row. That triggers a separate cascade of hormones and really works on your autoimmune system, and it impacts your whole body. That type of stress tends to make your thinking clouded and it makes it harder to think clearly, and you will be typically less productive, less energetic, less decisive, and less clear headed. So, again, two kinds of stress. Short term stress can be good or bad depending on what kind of thinking you need to engage in. And then long term stress, which is pretty universally difficult and has a negative impact on your cognition and also, not to mention, your body. So I hope that's helpful. Not all stress is bad. Stress is a natural part of life. It's really more, is it appropriate for the situation? And is it short term or are you having chronic stress? Hope that was helpful.